If your mushrooms usually turn watery instead of golden and full of flavor, this method makes all the difference. Today we are making rich butter garlic mushrooms. Let's start with the prep. Finally, chop some fresh parsley. This is going to brighten everything at the end. So keep it nice and fine and set it aside. Clean your mushrooms and cut them into quarters or halves if they are smaller. Keeping them similar in size helps them cook evenly and brown properly. With sweet onions and a little gentle heat, served over a creamy herbed yogurt that makes this feel just a little special but still completely doable at home. Slice one onion, not too thick and not paper thin. You want slices that soften and slightly caramelize so they melt right into the mushrooms. Now chop the garlic. Keep it evenly chopped so it cooks gently and releases flavor without burning. Before we turn on the stove, let's quickly make the herbed yogurt. In a bowl, add thick Greek-style yogurt, fresh lemon juice, olive oil, salt, red pepper flakes, dried herbs, some chopped parsley, add minced garlic, black pepper. Whisk until smooth and creamy. It should be thick enough to spread, so don't make it too runny. Give it a quick taste and adjust if needed. Then set it aside so the flavors can come together while we cook. Now to the pan. Heat a wide pan over medium-high heat, add olive oil and let it get properly hot. Once it's hot, add the mushrooms in a single layer. Stir occasionally and let them start releasing their moisture. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften. Then add the butter. The olive oil keeps the butter from burning too quickly and together they create a rich base. Keep cooking and stirring. As the liquid evaporates, the mushrooms will start turning golden. Don't rush this part. That golden color is where the flavor really comes from. Once they are nicely browned, add the sliced onions and chopped garlic. Stir and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until onions are soft and slightly sweet and garlic is fragrant. You want the warm garlic aroma without letting it brown too much. It's simple, comforting, and just a little elevated without being complicated. Season with salt, red pepper flakes, and dried herbs. Stir well so everything is evenly coated. Finish with freshly ground black pepper to taste. If you love easy home cooking that actually delivers on flavor, make sure you are subscribed. I share simple recipes that focus on real techniques and everyday ingredients, and there is a lot more coming. Turn off the heat, add chopped parsley, and squeeze in fresh lemon juice. Toss everything one last time. That touch of lemon brightens the richness from butter and garlic. You should have glossy, golden mushrooms with no excess liquid sitting in the pan. Now let's plate this. Spread a generous spoonful of the herbed yogurt onto a white plate and smooth it out. Pile the hot mushrooms and onions right over top. That contrast between the warm buttery mushrooms and the cool creamy yogurt is what makes this butter garlic mushroom so satisfying. Finish with extra black pepper and a sprinkle of parsley. Serve this with toasted bread, naan or warm flatbread, or just enjoy it as it is. Scoop up some yogurt with the mushrooms and you get rich buttery flavor, sweet onion, fragrant garlic, a little heat, and that creamy tangy finish all in one bite. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how you served it. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share it with someone who loves mushrooms. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.